adding Calendly to your Squarespace is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can add Calendly in your Squarespace. So for that, you have to go to both of these websites, and you need to log into your accounts. After logging into account in both of these websites, you have to be at your Calendly website, and here you have to select the event you want to add. So if I click on share, it will show me this page. Now here you just have to click on this add to website. You have to click on this inline event, and here you have to click on continue, and there you guys go. You can also change the color. So after that, you just have to copy all of this code. So I'm just going to copy, let me just copy all of it. So I'm just going to copy it, or I can simply tap copy code here. After that, I'm going to click on close. I will go to my Squarespace website. Now in Squarespace, you just have to click on this add section, and here you just have to add a blank section. After that, you will see a blank section like that. You just have to click on this add block, and here you have to click on this code. Now here in this code, you just simply have to paste the code that you, wait a minute, let me just add the code. I'm just going to add it. So what it will do is it will take some time to load the Calendly's HTML code. See, and as you guys can see, the script has been embedded. It will show the calendar in few seconds. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can integrate Calendly with your Squarespace. Hope you guys find this video helpful.